Any of us are suffering to anxiety and have panic attacks? This is a fear about the perceived threat and also the uncertainty about the future. And this includes the cognitive, the emotional, behavioral, and even the physiological change. And using Vedic astrology, we can have another dimension, another perspective, the planet which will be representing that challenge in our mental health can also serve us to categorize time and give remedies to make this problem manageable. So in this video, we'll be going through 3 examples. We have a person who had, we could categorize it as social anxiety during the interviews and concerts. This is the Lil Peep. We have also the Lochler Heather, who had the anxiety after the separation, after the divorce. And also we'll be going to the Campbell Earl, whose anxiety was activated after the retirement. So these cases are quite different, but this is very important because now we can do intersection of 3 points: the timing, the circumstances, also the mental health points. And then we will be sure that we are looking at the proper points. Whatever we want to analyze, the first question is which house is representing the anxiety, in which house we can find those things. So definitely we are talking here about the Manasharoga, which is some kind of challenge to the mind. In Ayurvedic psychology, we would see it as some impairment of function related to manasa. We know there is a distinction to physical body and also we could call it mental body, the linga sharira, which has 3 things: D, which is intelligence, manasha, which is the mind, and the ahankara, which is the false ego. Now we have a kendra houses, 1st, 4th, 7th, and 10th, and whichever kendra we are analyzing, the 2nd and 12th also becomes very important. And the same things applies here. The central house is the 4th for the mind, but the 12th is very important because that is showing the dushikya bhava, which is showing the mental challenges, which are the melancholic thoughts. And also we have 5th house about the protection and also about memory. So all those mental challenges which will impair the memory, like for example psychosis and such more serious things, will be in the 5th house. Whilst for today's topic, for the anxiety, where the trust is there, the happiness shown by exalted Jupiter, which exalts in Cancer, which is natural 4th house. This is the central house which we will be focused on now in this video. So the 4th house is our protagonist here. So when we are going to the first case of Lil Peep, we have Saturn and Ketu in the 4th house, which, as you can imagine, is not perfect. And 4th lord, which is the Jupiter, is in the Lagna, which is quite interesting because if you will venture into his biography, you will know that his parents were into the teachings or academia. Especially his father was into the genocide, into the Holocaust and history. Based on that, I rectified also his D12 before 5 degrees to match these things. So we are starting with the first chart because it's not difficult to see how the 4th house is afflicted. We have Saturn and Ketu in that house. So this is quite disturbing. And the 4th lord, Jupiter, is in the ascendant, which is quite good, which is the protective force of his parents. We know that his mother was very supportive. And also the Jupiter being an own sign is giving the effects of the moon, which is also in the 7th. By the way, Jupiter and moon in first 7 is giving that huge fame he had. There is also Venus Rahu again in the Kendra, which is afflicting that moon. By the way, if you like to see how this is working in your chart, please consider scheduling the consultation of the Zoom 60 or 90 minutes. You can find the link in the description. What is also worthy of observation is that the Kendra in those charts of people into anxiety will also be hit. And this is no surprise because the Kendra, the 1st, 4th, 7th, 10th, is also talking about the moon. Therefore, the Sharpa Yoga, when malefics are in Kendra, will also heavily impact the mental health of the person. Now, if you go to the second chart of Eric Campbell, we can see that 4th Lord, although it's very strong because it's more exalted, we have Saturn and Rahu. These Vayu Grahas are snatching the 4th house. And also, what is interesting, the 2 lords of the 4th, Mars and Ketu, are doing Papakartari on the 10th. And Ketu is in the 11th. As we know, the 11th house is Marakatu 10th, and this is showing the career life end. And when he retired, that was exactly in Jupiter Moon, which is in the 11th house. Even if you use the Utpana Dasha, it was also Moon Antardasha. So we have some repeatable points here related to the 11th house. So as we know, he had a panic attacks, which was quite serious after the retirement. We can see 4th house is afflicted. And what is more, the lords are related also to that point. And also the timing was right. So in the little Peep case, it was related to Jupiter and Moon, which was about the fame, like giving interviews, the concerts, all that. Here is about the work, but especially about the retirement. Now in the Heather-Locklear chart, we know that here anxiety was started after the divorce. And this is a very interesting pattern because it was not only one-time incident, it was after the first and also after the second divorce. So we have something here. So what we do here, let's take the fourth lord again, and now it's in the 8th house, and the divorce happened in the Libra Dasha. Libra is that 8th house. We have here Mars here, which will definitely cut the ties. And because it is a fourth lord, it will have impact on one's anxiety. So again, we have an intersection of 3 points: timing, circumstances, and also the mental health points. So we can see that we are definitely on the good path. And in the next videos, we will be adding a few more ingredients to that recipe to get more clarity. Okay, guys, so that will do for today, but we have to confirm that using the Navamsha. So if you want to see how we do that, please consider watching this one.